Today I'm going to be going over some sweaters, some sweater dresses. I have some denim as well as accessories, some purses, jewelry, sunglasses, you name it, so stay tuned. Hey besties, welcome back to another episode of Styling Curves. If you've never met me before, I create fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content for curvy boss babes. So if that's you and you enjoy that kind of stuff, you might want to hit the sub button and the bell notification so you don't miss anything. A quick disclaimer, I am a Shein affiliate, brand partner, a Shein gal. You will see me on the website modeling a lot of these items on the sales page and on the app as well. Just so you know, they sent me, I think, 7 of the items in this haul. Thank you so much, Shein, for gifting these to me. And then the rest I bought with my own money because I am a huge Shein fan and customer myself, like many of you. I have my measurements below the video, so if you need that for a reference point about what size I am. Number 1, this fabulous knit sweater dress. Oh, this thing is so soft. And these sleeves are so elegant and adorable. I love this. Now, this did come with a matching belt, but I went rogue and paired it with my own belt because I wanted it to match the MK bag that you'll see in the video. I wanted it to match up, and then I paired it with a nude heel as well, and then some nude jewelry. This is so soft. I wish you guys could feel it, but I ordered true to size, so a 2X fit me. Super, super comfortable. Not too short, so you could pretty much wear it anywhere. Let's talk about the denim. If you are like me and you love ripped jeans, but you don't want the rips placed in the wrong place, this particular jean style has been well thought out. You don't have to worry about exposing your hoo-ha. And I was really thankful to find a pair of jeans that actually thought about the placement of the holes for the person who was going to be wearing them. I got it in the light wash. It actually comes in a dark wash and black as well. I will probably go back and buy a couple other colors. I bought this true to size. It's only 2% spandex, so there is some stretch, but not a whole lot. I love the design going all the way down, and then it tapers at the bottom and it's got a raw cuff edge, which I thought was really, really cute. I paired it with this. You know, I'm wearing them in the video. The sides are like super, super cute. I just like oversized glasses and like super dramatic. So those are the glasses that I put with it. I got this purse, which is just a nice little pouch with a magnetic closure. You guys saw this in a previous video. I did it in pink. I will actually link that video below for the details about this. Love this. Love the bows on the side. Originally, I ordered it in a 2X. After I got the first 2, I realized it had extra slack like in the shoulders. So the next set I ordered 1 size down. So if you don't want it to like be falling off your arms, you might want to consider sizing down on that. If you want to see what the pink one looks like, I'll link the video below this video so you can take a look. Next, I picked this ombre sweater. Oh my gosh. I wish you guys could feel this. This thing is so soft and it's so stretchy, and the colors, you know, sometimes when you go on a website and you're like, oh man, I want that, those colors are so pretty and vibrant, and then you get the item and it doesn't look like that. No, this one actually looks how it looks on the website, which is fantastic. And then I ordered these little chain earrings, kind of in like an 80s vibe, which you'll probably see in the video, but I'll scoot up here. I got purple sunnies to go with it. You can either wear it like paired with the jeans, like the denim that I showed you, or you actually could wear it as a dress. In the photos, I actually just wore it as a sweater dress because it's actually long enough, and the way that it hugs you, and because it's got this band at the bottom, you can actually get away with wearing it as a sweater dress, and I thought it looks super fab like that. Okay, purchased a pair of sunnies. You'll see them on the video. Love those, just a regular Ray-Ban looking. I did get this lock jewelry. super substantial. Like the weight on this is actually really, really nice. I think this set was like under $5 for the whole set. So it's got the V-neck, really nice knit. Ordered it true to size and it fit great. Really just like a little bit extra room, that like really cozy sweater feel. And I love the knot. It's so cute. The knot is such a twist, no pun intended, on a regular sweater. It'll cover your booty and it will also has a little bit long length in the front too. So if you don't like a short sweater, this might be a winner for you. This is the first time I've ever tried Shein shoes, and I was really like, I wonder how this is gonna go, because these looked fabulous on the website. And then I got them and I was like, wow. I mean, look at those. Don't they look expensive? Now, I will say, if you need arch support, these are very flat shoes. For me, I'm great in these. I have no issues with that. But if you're one of those people where you need a little bit of support, that might be a problem. They also come in white and black as well. So I think I'm going to go back and order them in white and black. Oh yeah, and then I also got this. I got sweater stuff in it. This little mesh ring that I also wore with the brown sweater, and that lock jewelry. And I'll link that below the video as well. Next, I ordered this gingham farm dress with the little bows on the side, stretchy and in the bust area. And then you've got the 3 tiers of fabric. And it's kind of like a midi link. Unfortunately, this baby sold out quick. You know, gingham's popular. So it sold out quick, but what I did do is I found a very similar item, and I'm going to link that below the video. It looks almost identical and it's just as cute. So I'll put that under. And then I paired that with this straw purse. I love the shape of this. So cute. Love the handles. Now I know what you're thinking. Wait, we're almost to the end of summer. Not for a month. I know fall's starting, but we still have like a month of summer left. But I challenge you to think a little bit outside of the box. Because this is tan or kind of like a brownish and it's a natural material, this can go into fall with you and your wardrobe and be a very staple piece. Sunnies you will see on the video, but I picked these really sleek square framed sunnies, which I thought looked so cute with the sweater dress. This sweater dress, no details unturned. So you've got the fake pearls, you've got the cable knit in kind of like a large pattern. Very stretchy, but this is what I'm talking about. No detail unturned. Look, the fake pearls are even on the sleeves. Oops. And I got a little dog hair, or maybe it's from the other sweater. I don't know. I have bulldogs, so there's always hair everywhere on all my stuff. Again, a really good length on this. You don't have to worry about it riding up, which is just like a bow style. And it can fit my phone and a lipstick and my little wallet. Then I wore these earrings to mimic the pearls that were on the sweater dress. Whoo-wee! I broke a sweat. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I would love to hear below which one was your favorite, which one was your least favorite. What are you guys looking for this upcoming fall season? I'm so excited for pumpkin spice lattes and Thanksgiving. I'm like ready to bust into the holiday season. As always, I appreciate you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Mwah!